Hi everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing the Algo 8180 SIP Audio Alerter. This is a network-connected indoor alerting speaker used for loud ringing, paging, and audible notifications in an IP-based paging system. The 8180 supports SIP and multicast, making it compatible with a wide range of VoIP systems and cloud services. Taking a look inside the box now, the documentation packet right on top, the audio alerter 8180, and underneath all of that, your wall mount brackets. Get that out of the way. Get the 8180 out of the plastic here. Tightly secured. Here it is. This is a high-efficiency indoor audio alerter capable of delivering loud and clear notifications. This is about 8 to 20 times louder than a standard telephone ringer and supports wideband audio for better clarity and comprehension. So on the back of the 8180, you're going to find a single Ethernet port for connection to your network, as well as power, so no external power supply is needed. There are also going to be additional interfaces for speaker output, relay output, and audio output, allowing you to connect accessories such as amplifiers, strobes, or external speakers. The Algo 8180 connects directly to your network and can be configured through a simple web-based interface or via the feature buttons on the back. It works as a loud ringer with customizable tones for environments like classrooms, restaurants, and warehouses. And Algo's SoundSure technology automatically adjusts the volumes to compensate for ambient noise levels. So not only can the 8180 be set up as a SIP endpoint on your VoIP phone system, but it can also be connected to certain phones with the Algo 2507 ring detector. Okay, so here I have a Polycom VVX500, which is a compatible VoIP phone for the Algo 2507. So with the Algo 2507, you'll get two cables. The first cable is a RJ9 cable. The one side of the RJ9 is going to plug in to the 2507, and it'll just snap in. And the other side will go into the headset port. So then the other cable that you have, it's going to be a little longer. You're going to put this into the terminal, just the other side of the 2507. You can get those in there. Other side is going to be exactly the same. It's going to have the open wires. And then that is going to go into the relay part of your desired Algo endpoint. Obviously, in this case, it's the 8180. So again, in the box, you'll receive the Algo 8180 and the wall mount bracket. Everything you need for a clean, PoE-powered installation. If you have any other questions about the 8180 or the 2507 or any other products, please visit our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com or give us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks again for watching.